Corvette enthusiasts shopping on nationwide are looking for the very specific Z06 or Grand Sports that are one owner Carfax certified. This is that special one. 17 3LT Grand Sport, upgraded black wheels, red calipers. Best part of all, Carfax certified, one owner. The options go on and on, but the best part is the carbon fiber instrumentation panel along with carbon fiber ground effects and carbon fiber roof panel. This is that special one, and we are that special place. We're proud to say awarded Mid-Atlantic Region Dealer of the Year. Owners Bob and Chad welcome everyone near and far. We assist in the entire Corvette buying experience. No salespeople, no managers. Direct answers, total transparency, and we will provide the ultimate experience. Best value. So when it comes down to number one in the USA, for all the right reasons, largest indoor showroom, highest rated, AutoDirectCorvettes.com.